Bro Bagas 50. South Africa, Kimberly Clark. Impala. Impala sounds so familiar. We just forgot where it's supposed to be, so 66 though. Maybe that isn't a city. Impala, where is Impala? I don't know. This is gonna be bad, isn't it? Okay. What? 86, that is not regional. Bro, we are doomed. Impala, is that a city? I don't know. It might be Bloemfontein. We are doomed. It's one of the places when you recognize the country immediately, but okay, thankfully we got Springs and 12. And 12 and 38. Springs. Oh, I don't. Oh yeah, there's Springs. Thankfully, we do gain the multi. We guess it's the very same place our opponent did. Alright, so we are in Geoguessr Meet, potentially the place name. Here in the UK, oops, Horsham. So familiar, but I don't know where it's supposed to be. Horsham. Fortunately, I don't know my Southdown. Horsham in Southdown. Should try and find the place name. I don't know my districts. Unfortunately, oops. Skip. I think we did skip. That's a step. Okay, we got A272. There's Horsham. Okay, we found Horsham, but we don't know the place name. It's nice. It's Billinghurst. That's a long name. Billinghurst. Come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Calle Blasco Ibanez. Sector. This is probably okay. Let's find a town name. Region name. Seems to be a large city. Aguas de Terror. I think it's Spain, but of course it's pretty difficult. Like, what in the world? Like, Plaza de España of what city? Nothing is written. Tapas. Nothing is written. Yep. So urban that basically so hard to see anything, which is, yeah, basically nothing is written, which is tough. Can't see anything though. what? I've been roaming for so long I couldn't find anything. Correjos. I'm just gonna guess Madrid here. Oh no. I don't know, bro. Surely it's not Madrid, but let's see if opponent has found anything like. Oh no. It's Gran Canaria. Right. That's Gran Canaria. Lesson learned. Jeddah Bridge. Sun is out though, so oh, this is tough. Gela, Beloclova, Bredoni, Gela, Bredoni. This is Scotland though, so let's see if we can. Okay, it's equidistant. We're still closer, so that's nice. That Spain round though gives us chills. Spain round still haunts us up to this day. So sun is due north, I think. Oh, it's okay. It's actually Brazil. That's actually like W. So I think this is rather difficult, you know. I mean, not finding any place names here would be Francisco de Oliva something, and this could result in a big swing, big turnaround for our opponent. So we are desperate to find information here. Any phone numbers, please? Just couldn't find any. Okay, finally. Okay, so we got Farmacia 83. 83 is like, it's 81. It's 83. Is 83 here? Yeah, it's Paraiba. It should be Paraiba. Like, somewhere here. Let's see. Opponent finds something. No, it's Paraiba too. Let's be closer, and we gain the multi yet again. 3.5x multiplier. We are in prime position here. Still the win with a tough like Chile. Heading north. Heading north like Villa Lisonjera. Probably not too helpful. Villa, okay. There we go, Villa Alegre and Esmeralda. So we got L25. L25 and 261. L25 and 265 Villa Alegre. Right there. So we're probably south. Potentially. Who knows? Let's see if our opponent find it. El Esperanza. I don't know if he'll 5k or not. No. We did not 5K, but that's a nice 5K in San Ramon. San Ramon, okay. Busanga. Busanga. We're still closer though. We have many all multis so far. 5x multiplier now. 4.5x multiplier. Yabisa. Yabisa, okay. 300 points of damage. Opponent registers a multi on the board. Going to round number 9. Philippines, okay. Heading west. Checkpoint, let's head east. Test the farm school. Not finding anything. That's bad. Camelon. Initiao. Camelon. Initiao. Camelon. Okay, so no. Oh no. Should be there. Oh. Nice 5K for the win. Initial. Let's go. Pinpointed the exact location. Let's go. Whew. We are initially not sure, but we switched. Scored the 5K. We were glad to take that though. That really took a long time. That was quite forced, wasn't it? That was so forced, I'd say. Okay, both of us basically guessed in the same location, south of Johannesburg, when in fact it was Springs, which is a city just due east of Johannesburg. It was quite tough, quite tough. Then round number 11, we finally found Horsham thanks to road numbers like A272. But we forgot the city we were in. I thought there was Jengersmeet. Apparently it was not. Round number 3 was so tough. It was Gran Canaria. Yes, we should learn our Gran Canaria. That's so bad from us. Okay, we should remember the badge. That's Gran Canaria surely. So we got street signs all over Gran Canaria, but we ultimately failed to recognize, right? But should probably learn Gran Canaria. Will I recognize Gran Canaria if I see this? I'm not sure. Well, there's Las Palmas. You can just see it. Oh no, it was just a few. It was just 2 blocks due east, and you get this Palms and the Las Palmas. Oh, it took a long time. That's terrible from us. Scotland here, north, and we got Paraiba. Very particular type of pavement here being used. It's the state of Paraiba, so that's nice. Chile, we did 5K. We did manage to find La Esperanza. Where's Villa Alegre? It might be somewhere there, but this one is in San Ramon. There's like a business here, so I figure it might be there. Cool, that's cool. All right, that road angle in L25. Let's go. Round number 7 was in Kenya. Round number 8, opponent takes their multi here, south of Kisi. Okay, let's check the difference between it's actually very similar locations. This was in Kisi County. There's Ogembo. Kisi County, you got some elevation, very red soil, but lush greenery on top of reddish soil. And then round number 8 was also Kisi County, dude. Okay, this was in Mogunga. Again, reddish soil, lush vegetation, some elevation, of course. Mogunga, that bend, and this one's in south of Mogunga. What are the odds? Back-to-back rounds in Kisi County. Alright, and finally in the Philippines, we did manage to 5K the correct location here in Initao. That was tough, like that road angle. Then you got the barangay hall far. Oh, the barangay was actually so far away, so it's probably in Apas. Probably this one in Barangay Apas. If you probably went the other way around, we come across a sign towards the poblacion maybe. But thankfully we got the barangay hall of Camelon, Initao, Misamis Oriental. So cool. And just finding an off-road towards the south with the building, houses. Are the houses mapped? Kind of. We're also checking out this junction, but the angle of the road doesn't make sense here, so this works a little bit better. I think I could kind of see like a little bend in the, oh, that is the bend we're seeing, so that's cool. That is our 5K in Initao, Misamis Oriental, if not mistaken. This Misamis Oriental, I think so, right? It's southwest of Laguindingan. Cool, very cool. No trespassing. Cool. So you got enough roads to the south. Right, probably a compound, a private compound, presumably. Nice. So let's watch 2 of our 5Ks here. Very lengthy rounds. This one took 2 minutes. This one took a minute. Yeah, we just happened to find a horse sham hidden somewhere. We got 272 apparently. Yes, we were just searching for the 272 and found it. There's Crowley, there's Horsham. Okay, round number 3 was oh man, it took 2 minutes. We were basically frantically scanning for signs, which we didn't find. That is tough. So this is a tour of Gran Canaria. Didn't find any mention of the city, but okay, we could have vibed it out if we wanted to. We ultimately failed, so a little bit embarrassing. Nah, it's very embarrassing. You got tall palms. Okay, should remember tall palms could correspond to Gran Canaria. Just didn't see it anywhere. I went Madrid on Gran Canaria. There are signs to businesses of Bilbao and Santander Bank, presumably. Okay, so this was in Scotland. Yeah, both of us got that. Paraiba. And let's watch our round number 6 here. This one took 71 seconds, not the fastest of 5Ks. Right, but at least we scored 2 5Ks, so that's nice. Thankfully, we headed north and we found signs. Probably took some time to scan for L. When we initially zoomed, I forgot where we initially zoomed upon seeing this. Okay, L25 and L265, if I recall correctly. Yes, you see how bad my region guess is. I zoomed into S, I needed L, scanning for the L's. Finally, we found the L's. even reaching up north within a. So I was looking at L25, but okay, corner 265 to Esmeralda. 265. There was finally 265 there. So we were looking at that bend. So we went to our original spawn point, due south, thinking that could be there, but it looked like a business. So, right. We checked. We checked for business names, establishment names, but didn't find any. But we are satisfied with our initial plonk. So there you go. That's our 5K in Chile. Where is this in Chile? What region was this in Chile? Maule region, L25. Okay, that is cool. So let's check. 2 rounds to back-to-back rounds in Kisii County. Kisii County, Kenya. Do they look the same? Kind of. Ready soil, although our second location soil is redder. Okay, round number 9. This one took a long time, 95 seconds to pinpoint, but we are glad to take that. We are glad that we 5K this location, so that we can add that to our books, our collection of 5Ks. Lols. Imagine collecting 5Ks, lols. Okay, so we are now headed east. Didn't find any mention of the barangay here. Okay, now headed east. I actually forgot that we headed east, so thankfully we did kind of recall, or had a gut feel that we went east, so that when we read the barangay hall information there, figure out we might look towards the west. Right, as late as the. Okay, there you go. As late at the 49 second mark, there's Camelon, Initao, sorry. There's Camelon, Initao, Misamis Oriental. There's the barangay hall right there. Going back to point of spawn, we vaguely remember that we went east for quite a long while. There was an off-road, albeit a private one. There was a sign saying no trespassing. I was looking for POIs. There was none. There was almost none. So I'd say we did 5K it with minimal street sign and POI information. We just look where buildings are. Okay, figure out it might not be that. Okay, we adjusted our guess, and thankfully at the 95th minute we were satisfied and plonked it. Alright, let's play it from the time when we were able to read Camelon Barangay Hall here. Okay, let's watch from the 45th second mark. Okay, there's Camelon Barangay Hall, Initao, Misamis Oriental. We have heard of Initao before because of work reasons. Camelon Barangay Hall. Right, kinda recall we went east, so yep, look west. I didn't remember we passed by an hospital, bro. Didn't quite remember that. Okay, there was an off-road towards south, but we really wanted to check. We really wanted to have that 5K. You're so addicted to having 5Ks, especially in the Philippines. We will spend time really to do that, risking our opponent finding information. Right, that could be it. And viewers, yeah, 95 seconds, not the fastest one to seal the win. Nonetheless, 5K for the win, the Philippines. Let's go.